Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone hear me? Now we are going to discuss about the importance of math, right? Go back and get in your notes. Just we talk about in the morning subjects called Islam and mathematics. Okay? In the Quran al-Kareem, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, everyone pay attention. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, we're done with our computer. In the Quran al-Kareem, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, وَالشَّمْسُ تَجْرِي لِمُسْتَقَرٍ لَهَا ذَلِكَ تَقْدِيرُ الْعَزِيزِ الْعَلِيمِ. The sun will raise in the morning, right, on its own time. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give me a second. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, let me finish. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calculates, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calculates how much sun energies of that day is gonna come to what tree, who's gonna get it, who's not gonna get it. You understand? Who is the greatest mathematicians?
Allah.
Say it again.
Allah.
Why?
Because he's the measurement and calculator.
He calculates every single cells, every single movements of items, atoms in this world. Okay? Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, لَا الشَّمْسُ يَنْبَغِي لَهَا أَن تُدْرِكَ الْقَمَرَ وَلَا اللَّيْلُ سَابِقُ النَّهَارِ. He say, neither the sun can go ahead of the moon. Okay? Like tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, Mr. Sun should come out, right? You understand? But he decided to come at 7 p.m. tonight. You understand? He can't do that. Without the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sun doesn't have ability to come out before his appointment time. You understand? And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, وَلَلَّيْلُ سَابِقُ النَّهَارِ. Neither the nights cannot decide when he wanna let go of the darkness and the days come in. Okay? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have calculated the orbit system, okay? The galaxy system, what is moving, what is not moving. Every raindrops in this earth is what?
Measurement calculator.
And measure, right? And Allah know which plant is getting how much water and which plant needs how much water and what type of energies it needs. You understand? So who is the greatest mathematicians? So is mathematics Islamic or non-Islamic?
Islamic.
We as a Muslim have built foundations in modern science. Understand? We are the one who discovered algorithm. Okay? We took from the Romans and the Persians and the Greek. Understand? Even from the India, because they were great mathematicians. Okay? What do? We advance it. And we lay the foundations of today's civilization. Who laid the foundations of today's civilizations?
Islamic.
Muslim. So our job is to carry what?
Math.
Their legacy. Our job is to what?
Carry their legacy.
What are we here for?
Carry their legacy.
Why are we here?
Become leader of tomorrow.
We were students today. Tomorrow, what are we going to become?
Leader.
Leaders in each and every single field, and our job is to carry whose legacy?
Allah.
The legacies of the people before us. You understand? So what? Mathematics are Islamic or non-Islamic?
Islamic.
Do we need to study mathematics?
Yes.
Why do we need to study mathematics?
Islamic. Learn.
You understand? To see the qudra of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You understand? To see the qudra of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are so amazed by today quantum computer, okay? Every living thing in this earth are calculatings. You understand? The grass know when to come out. The grass know when spring is ended. You understand? The turtle, they know when to lay their eggs. You understand? The crocodiles, they know when to lay their eggs. You understand? The bird, they know when to travel. When the winter is coming, they migrate, right? So each and every single creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are mathematicians. You get it? We can prove the existence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through using math. Math is everything. Because you could calculate motion. You get it? You could calculate body weights. You could calculate physics. You get it? You calculate energies. You understand? That's why it's very important for each and every single one of us to learn math. So who's gonna learn math from today? Who's gonna learn math? Raise your hand.
Being a good boy.
Okay? So math is important. It's very important. So we're just not all boring. I just want to be here, whatever. You understand? Because if you algebra play major role in skyscraper building system, in computing, you understand? Geometry play major role in 3D printing, for example. You understand? Many of technologies. You get it? What is the first foundations, rules of creativity? No. Dream.
Dream.
You got a dream. We discuss about, huh? You say something? We discuss about the cup, right? And that need a seals, right? We try to solve a problem, right? So math can solve many problems. You understand?